on, guys? This is what MPG reporting. I'm about to race my friend, my good friend. He's got a 2017 ZX-14R, the largest, strongest, fastest bike. And I'm just curious to see where I stand. I may get raped. It is a stock bike. Nothing's been done to it. But you know, we'll see. We'll see what happens. This should be a eventful run. My friend used to have a CTSV, and we were right neck and neck every time we ran. He's joined the bike life, and you know, I may be joining it here with him soon, but we'll see. We'll see how it is. Hard.